Pete, thank you. Tucson firefighters sent out a distress call while battling a mobile home fire on the south side. It happened last night off South Nogales Highway, south of Valencia. Officials say the firefighters faced several challenges when they arrived. They say a locked gate and a roll-off dumpster were restricting access to the mobile home park. Once they finally did get in, they say the flames were impacting nearby power lines and threatening other homes. They also learned a person may have been trapped inside. Firefighters entered the home and sent out a mayday call when fire conditions changed. Everyone was able to make it out safely, and the fire was finally under control just about 30 minutes later. 3 people are now displaced. And we have an update on a fire that